Our beloved City Mayor, Honorable Mayor Pablo Eve L. Dumlao II. A round of applause, please.
Good morning sa tanan. I'm very happy to see you all. And sa all my almost 2 years na ako pag-serve diri sa City Hall, kuman pa ako kita kan Vice Mayor na Joy Gojoy Kudigo kay he wants to talk about love. Well, blooming karajo an ato CSWDO, si Ma'am Lenny Liray, emphasize gazod nila, single parent. Single and available. Ready to become a girlfriend. Sakto ba, ma'am? Well, congratulations to all the accomplishments of CSWDO. I myself, I'm very proud of the transformation of CSWDO during this administration and assisted by Mark and everybody sa office for giving such a dedicated service, especially sa mga indigent seniors, mga nag-in crisis, mga nagkinahanglan. Like I said, usahay way gazud lain sa ligan ang mga katawhan kundi likitara numutabang sa ila. And also I'd like to inform everybody, i-announce rasad na ako na, by the way, ready na ba kamo sa ijusuluton sa Valentine's Day? Basin daghan maka-black kuman na year. Kailang pa ni Bea Alonso na di lamang kita mag-judge kung kayo man nag-break. So this year also we will be launching our campaign, our effort para the city of Surigao, the city government of Surigao will be ISO compliant. So we have discussed it last week with the HR, and this is a very good opportune time to announce to everybody how this process will be implemented. Kita maghimo sa ato kaugalingon sistema, kada item, kada department, and we will document it and we will have that commitment on how we will do it, how to comply sa ato reports, and most especially sa timely output ng ato trabaho. We just need to trust the process. An ISO sa sugod drajaon siya lisod kung laong pa nandiyaton una to, I'm in love with you pare, sa sugod drajaon ang luod. Pero inin ISO sa sugod ra ini sila lisod. Eventually kita tanan we will be able to benefit from it. And I have directed na to HR si Ma'am Hazel to lead on this program na to, and we will be composing the compliance committee, or even expanded to involve the private sector, the compliance council, para they can also have an input on how we will be documenting and streamlining our processes. It's all about streamlining, it's all about documentation para dili magkautro-utron ato mga papeles, di magkautro-utron nato trabaho, sanan mawaya dyan mga redundancies nan ato processes. Kita gyapon mag-benefit. Number one, on time anato mga output, on time anato mga sweldo, on time anato always na mga deadlines, and hopefully each of us will support it. Kaya pa nato. We have 1.5 years left in this administration. If that is the thing that we can achieve, then I would be very, very proud as your city mayor. To be an ISO compliant LGU, dili kun tanan ini amoy nangandoy, but we can achieve it. Let us just support it, we can dream for it, and it is something that we can be proud of. And so another program na gusto nato i-launch will be our customer service satisfaction program. We have to be customer service oriented. Daoy mga incidents in the past na sa sobrahan nato usahay ka pagtrabaho, dili nato mabantayan ang customer service. And we have also discussed with this to come up with programs. There will be in-house trainings sa ato na kalain-lain na department. We will start with one department in particular, and then is a pilot project, and then we will expand it sa tanan. To be a public servant does not necessarily mean that people will adhere to our authority. It is always our aim to please our constituency. It is always our aim to satisfy ang ato mga clients. And so our aim should be for every Surigaonon mas satisfied sa ato trabaho. And it is not such an easy thing to do. It needs a change in culture. It needs some sort of redevelopment in ourselves. But if kita tanan gustuhon nato ini, I'm very very sure that we can do it. Laong pa ni Mayor Pons, all we need is love. And so happy Valentine's sa ato tanan. Marajaw na week, and very good to see the Coast Guard to be here.